Okay, so we've got a 36 volt Ryobi lawnmower. This is the one with two batteries, but they're all pretty much the same. When I push the safety switch and try to turn it on, I'm getting a beeping and a red flashing light in the middle. So, what's causing this? Always valid to check that the safety key is inserted properly and clean of grass. Same with the contacts for the batteries. Make sure the batteries are in, one or two batteries, whatever you have. You can check the battery level if you have that kind of battery. Now for the real piece of information. This sticker here says catcher or mulch plug must be installed correctly for the mower to turn on. This happened to be after I emptied the catcher. Not in properly. Click it in properly. Safety switch. Push the power. Keep it simple, stupid. Hey, thanks for watching.